Okay, we got a short video here. I dug out my old Tesla coil setup here. Well, it's not really that old, but still. It's, this is a pretty much well-known circuit. It's a single transistor. It's a single MOSFET, in fact. The irfp460. And it's basically a Slider exciter which is connected to mains voltage with some fluorescent ballasts. You can see them here. This is a bit of a non-standard circuit. This one is beefed up and has some extra protection measures here. You can see varistors, some TVS diodes, and some anti-parallel diodes, and this snubber network here and all that stuff. There's not really much about this circuit. The only thing is this capacitor. This one has to be a foil capacitor with somewhat, some quality capacitor. It can't be some electrolytic capacitor or anything like that. The other thing is the polarity of these windings matters. You have to connect it right, as the circuit won't oscillate. And you can see an interrupter here, but I'm not using it in my configuration because the SCRs were just shorting and dying for some reason, probably because of the induction of these inductors and this protection here and all of that. It's experimental. The circuit is not really suited for a long-term use. Well, enough about theory. Here's the setup. Let me turn it on. 1, 2, 3. There it goes. Makes pretty good arcs. I'm a bit skeptical about running it for long. It can go even wilder if I don't really want to kill the MOSFET, so I won't turn on the voltage multiplication switch. So I really don't want to kill the irfp460. I had it happen with MOSFETs with higher drain source voltage, so I'm skeptical this one would survive the duplication switch. I can try to turn on the second inductor in parallel, see what happens. Now the arcs are even longer. This circuit can get pretty crazy if you watch the original video of the construction. I'll put it in the description. Anyway, that's the short explanation of this setup. I was asked about this, so here it is. Catch you next time. This was a quick unedited video. Reminds me of the old times.